There is some, I know a lot of people do, suffer with vitiligo, the
Hmm.
skin condition
Yeah.
where, there's discoloration.
Mm.
I've seen people where, depending on the severity of it, they can go to India to be treated. But there is a way to kind of, again, same concept, really stop the progression of the toxins that are accumulating in the bodies to help stop that disease from progressing.
Mm.
So the earlier you start treatment, the earlier you stop the progression of the disease, the better the outcome. The
Mm.
longer you wait, the harder it is, the more complicated it gets. And I'm sure you're familiar with that as well.
Mm. Yeah, for sure. For sure. So how long, I guess this question is like how long is a piece of string, but I'm going to ask it anyway. How long does it take to heal any kind of skin condition using your approach?
Um, I would say I like to say between 1 and 3 months is
Hmm.
where you're going to start to see some improvement.
Mm.
Where if we do a detoxification after that, from 1 to 3 months after that process, that's where the body is starting to rebuild and starting to function properly. That we should start to see some improvement.
Mm. And so that might be the start of the improvement. How long might it take to, get complete resolution?
Yeah, I mean, it depends on how long you've been suffering with the disease.
Mm.
That will also help to determine how long the treatment would need to be. But I've seen it where, psoriasis tends to be one that can be very aggressive,
Mm.
and a repeated detoxification procedure would need to be done once every 6 months for maybe a year and a half
Mm.
is generally what I've seen, where it just gets better and better and better. So people are obviously very excited about the fact that their skin is improving. And then depending on, it's a commitment, right? And it's
Mm.
hard. It's not easy to go through these detoxification procedures.
Yeah.
But as long as, the clients are able to handle it and go through it and commit to it,
Mm.
we consider it that as part of the process from an Ayurvedic perspective. The compliance of the rogi or
Yeah.
of the client has to be, where they want to do this, and then they're able to see the results.